Hello to my future employer. By the way, I'm Russell Jindu Sanamoro. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have three children. My school background is I'm high school graduate. My working experience, two country. First is Singapore. My work duties, I take care of three children. I bring school and then I pick up to go home. And then my other duties, I'm cleaning, I'm cooking, I'm washing the clothes, sometimes I'm car wash, and then I have a take care two of dogs. That's all my experience in Singapore. And then my second experience in Hong Kong, I take care of the two children, 1 year old and 7 years old. I bring school the 7 years old, and then if I back, I take care of the 1 year old. Sometimes every day I bring outside, and then if I bring home, I give food, and then I give showering. And then other duties, I'm cooking, I'm washing the clothes, and then sometimes I car wash, I clean the car. That's all my experience in Hong Kong. I hoping to chance to work your family. I'm fast learner, and then I'm willing to learn very much. And then thank you for your time to watching my videos. I'm happy to see you. Bye.